Listen guys, before we start with the ride along, there is something that I need to tell you. There's something that you need to hear. Listen, the gig business, Doordash, Instacart, Uber Eats, Grubhub, all these kids apps, they're dying. With this switch in this economy, because we're heading into a recession, these apps are not going to survive. And if you are doing Doordash, if you are doing Uber Eats, if you are doing Grubhub or any gig app, or if you are considering doing them, let me tell you that you're going to perish and you need to pivot. And in order for you to pivot, this is what you need to do. You need to go to the description below this video. In the description below this video, there's going to be a link. I want you to click the link and you're going to be taken to a workshop where we're going to reveal to you how to build a sustainable business. We're going to reveal to you this system that will allow you to literally create a business in autopilot. So what you need to do if you want to be able to build a business that can survive in this new upcoming economy, and in pretty much any economy, you need to go right now to the description below this video, click the link and attend to the workshop. We're working earlier in the morning. Right now it's 8:40 and the first offer is from Coffee Beans. So
What's that coffee there?
oh, thank you. Okay guys, so we got it. Now I saw another guy doing Doordash Uber Eats. So anyway, so let me pack this up and get on the way. Doing the first drop off, and let me see, it is for is the house number 1. I think, yeah. Okay guys, that's done. Now let's get on the way. Okay guys, next offer is a little one from Panera. So let's get this rolling. Okay guys, next offer of the day, it is a little Instacart from Albertsons. So we're going to do that. Hopefully get it done super fast. So we're done with the shopping. Got a few waters over there. I think I forgot I didn't bring my insulated bags, so I'm gonna go straight to the customer because I got some cool items. It's hot. Anyway, so let me put this in the car and get on my way. Oh. Okay guys, that's done. Now let's get on the way. Next offer of the day for the lunch shift, it is Chipotle. When I took the offer was 7.7 miles for close to $16. The reason that I took it, it is because it was just putting me back in my zone. So going to go and grab it and hopefully the drop-off is not bad. We will see. Got it? So now with Chipotle, they used to have a shelf where they put the food, but now they're just like hiding the food. I guess, you know, business is slow. So anyway, so that's why I'm telling you guys, the economy, guys, is dying, and you need to pivot. You need to pivot, guys. In order for you guys to do that, all you need to do is click the link in the description below this video, join my Facebook group. And on my Facebook group, I'm going to be sharing with you how to build a sustainable business that can truly bring you freedom. Because food delivery, guys, it is not freedom and it's not sustainable. And these Doordash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Instacart, all these kid apps, they're dying. So if you do not want to perish, you guys need to pivot. So do it by clicking the link and join the Facebook group. Okay, let me back this up, guys. Doing this.
Head to your drop off at 39000 Grubhub DR.
Hi, how are you? I got a delivery for Kathy.
That's me.
Oh,
She's gonna be on the other side.
the other one? Thank you.
Welcome. Have a great day.
Hi, how are you? I got a delivery for Candy?
For candy?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, so that's done. Now, let's get on the way. Yep, it is from Country Club Cafe. So $11 for, you know, 5.5 miles. So it's not, well, it's okay. It's not the best. Hopefully it's ready. Okay, guys, so we got the order. I don't think it's gonna be any hidden tips, but you know, you never know. So let me put this in the car and get on my way. Hopefully it's somewhere here. So it is number 12. So to be going down here. Okay, let me see. Then. Let me check this. I'm looking for the numbers. Okay, that's 12. Found it. It is from the old spaghetti factory. This one is a little, not that great, almost $20 for close to 10 miles. So might have some hidden tips, who knows. So now let's get in the car and head on the way. They ordered some type of ice cream or whatever, and it's like, was 10 miles and 110 degree weather here in the desert. Don't order those things. So let me drop this off. Hi, how are you? I got a delivery for it says Curtis.
The customer requested you leave the order at their door.
And
I'll take it.
the front there. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Pick up from which and this Uber Eats sending just food offers. Hey, how you doing, ma'am? I got a pickup for Robin. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Okay, guys, we got it. I hate when people just look at the camera like it's so weird. Here, next drop off. So this house right here. Okay, let me go deliver, guys. Next pickup, Cheesecake Factory. So it was the payout is $11.75. That is if they don't have any hidden tips, and the mile wasn't that great, but I'm doing it just to keep me busy. It is almost $1 per mile, so it's not that bad, but it's not great. But it's what it is right now, you know. Gig economy is dying, guys. Doordash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Instacart, you know, they will go down in this new upcoming economy. And if you guys do not want to perish with it, you guys need to pivot. I'm telling you guys need to pivot. In order for you guys to be able to pivot, all you need to do is that you guys need to click the link in the description below this video, and then there's going to be a workshop showing you how to build a sustainable business that can truly bring you freedom, that can thrive in pretty much any economy. Because let's face it, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Instacart, any gig app is not freedom, guys. You have to work a lot, and you're away from your family. You don't make the money that you really want because the payouts are so low, and this business is crashing. It is a dying dinosaur. So if you don't want to perish, guys, you guys need to click the link and watch the workshop. Now let's pick up this offer from the Cheesecake Factory, which is just right there. So we got the offer, but you know, let me take this moment to tell you a little bit more what you guys are going to be able to get after you guys watch this workshop, which all you need to do is click the link in the description below this video. The workshop, in the workshop we will reveal to you how you guys can acquire a system that can literally build a completely fully automated online business for you. And the beauty about this business is that you don't have to create any products, you don't have to own inventory, you don't have to do traditional sales, you know, one-on-one sales. It is truly amazing, guys. So if you guys want to find out how you guys can acquire this system that can literally build a sustainable online business for you, all you need to do is click the link in the description below this video and watch the workshop. Okay, guys, so you can see just 3 items right here. So I'm going to put them in the cart and head and deliver, and of course I'll keep you updated at the destination. About to drop off the order.
The customer requested you leave the order at their door. Additional instructions are provided in the Dasher app.
Okay, guys, so that's done. Now let's get on that way. recap is from Crumble Cookies, and this one was 5 miles for $14. So the payout is pretty good. So I'm hoping we're gonna have some hidden tips. Who knows? Hi. Yes, for Marisa. We got it. They were having some type of issues. The lady's like, I don't see my screen. Like, give me a break. We are here delivering the order for this hotel, and it is for $16.55. We're gonna be upstairs. Probably the last floor. Yeah, the third floor. I am speaking directly to you. If you watch my ride along and you're watching this part of this video, you need to pivot, because this key business, it is going down and will not survive in this upcoming economy. And all you need to do in order to be able for you to be able to build a sustainable business is that you need to go to the description below this video. You need to click the link, and the link will take you to a workshop where we're going to reveal to you a system that literally will build a business for you. But you have to do it right now before it's too late. Guys, this is Carlos, and I will see you on the next video.